What's the meaning of contaminate? Contaminate. Contaminate.
Contaminate. Contaminate.
The word contaminate means to introduce something harmful or impure to a previously pure or clean environment. The result of contamination can be detrimental and far-reaching, affecting not only the immediate surroundings but also potentially impacting other ecosystems and populations. Contamination can be caused by various sources such as chemical spills, pollution, waste disposal, and natural disasters. It can lead to health hazards for humans and wildlife, damage to crops and vegetation, and disrupted ecological balance. Proper measures must be taken to prevent contamination and minimize its negative effects on the environment.